Figurenotes guitar is a great starting point for guitarists to learn how to strum and change chords at the correct time. We often get a Figurenotes band started in just 5 minutes. Figurenotes guitar has 4 strings tuned A, E, A and E. This gives us an open A chord, and as there's no third in the chord, this means we don't have to worry about major or minor. Let's set this one up to show you. First, we need to remove the bottom E string, this one here. Next, we take off the top E string and the B string, these 2 strings here. But make sure you keep hold of the top E string because we're going to need it to pop in place of the B string. Next, tune to A, E, A, E. Put your Figurenote stickers on the side of the neck so the player can see them from above. And only put the stickers on the natural notes and don't worry about the sharps or flats. Start with a yellow sticker behind the nut, and this gives the player somewhere to put their finger when they're playing an open chord, should they want to. Now we bar the 4 strings to create our chords, and the stickers along the neck will show us how. Yellow, red, brown. Once guitarists have become comfortable changing chords and staying in time, they can progress towards 6-string guitar. For wheelchair users or guitarists with limited strength or mobility, you could try laying the guitar flat on your lap or on a table. You can then use an object or your thumb to bar the strings. Remember to place the stickers on the fretboard where you can see them. You can also use the top string to play melodies or solos. Now you can go and start your band using the Figurenotes 4-string guitar.